Inside my head, I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the... Your spirit to a dove, oh, oh, your spirit up above, oh, oh.
Are you deranged like me? Are you strange like me? Lighting matches just to follow up the flame like me. Do you call yourself a fucking hurricane like me? Pointing fingers cause you never take the blame like me. You can't wake up, this is not a dream. You're part of a machine, you are not a human being. You should face something up, living on a screen. Lower self-esteem, so you run on gasoline. I think there's a flaw in my code. These voices will leave me alone. My
Last days, last burn the grace of the fire and the flames. You're the face of the future, the blood in my veins, oh, ooh, the blood in my veins, oh, ooh. But they never did, ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up when it rained down like